thought we were back in the age of the netbook, think again. This is not a netbook, this is what you would basically call a 2-in-1 laptop or a 2-in-1 ultrabook, or basically simply put a Windows 8 hybrid machine. The machine that we're talking about here is the Asus Transformer Book T100. This is a fairly recent launch in India, and on the face of it, it pretty much does both tasks. It's your small laptop and it's the tablet that you can carry around with fair amount of ease. In this video, we are going to basically look at how this machine is to use, the build quality, and the usage scenarios where you can kind of use this machine. First of all, the build quality is, well, Asus is well known to make machines which are affordable and well built. This one pretty much walks the same line, however there is no aluminium on this. This is all plastic throughout, not your good quality polycarbonate kinds, but this is plastic that feels a little cheap, feels a little inexpensive, but full credit to Asus here for having put this together so well that there are literally no rough edges that we can find. Something as simple as the display hinge is fairly tight enough. I mean, when you're typing quite hard, this thing doesn't rock. The keyboard, well, there are limitations in terms of the footprint and the space that you can get for a keyboard, so this one, keeping those boundaries in mind, does fairly well. The key size is a little smaller than you would probably be used to in your laptop, but for a tablet essentially which has an additional keyboard, or you're calling it a dock in this case, this thing does the job fairly well. There's adequate travel and you can, once you get used to it, type fairly quickly. The touchpad is a tad too small though, so well, multi-touch gestures will not work very well unless you get really used to the cramped space. The display is a 10.1 inch display screen with a 1366x768 resolution. Again, no real complaints here because, well, you can't really expect a full HD screen in a price tag as low as this when you're getting a dock with the battery as an additional accessory as a part of the package. This machine runs the Bay Trail Intel Atom quad-core 1.3 GHz processor with 2 gigs of RAM and the option of a 32 gig and a 64 gig solid state drive for your primary storage requirements. You have a full gamut of ports here. You've got a USB port here. Nothing on this side, completely clean, but what you have here is your micro USB port, your mini HDMI out, as well as a memory card slot. The volume rocker and the power keys sit on this spine. Now, we've shown you what this machine looks like as a traditional netbook or a laptop. We take this out and this is what will be the machine in the tablet mode. Now, this runs Windows 8.1 out of the box. Fairly adequate, I mean, in terms of what you want this machine to do. We have absolutely no issues in that regard. The only little thing that we feel is it's slightly too thick as a tablet, but for something which is not meant to be used as a tablet always, but additionally with this, you're basically not really penalizing the machine for being a slightly thicker tablet. We'll run this machine through our series of tests and give you a detailed explanation on how good or how bad this is. The Transformer Book T100 is currently available in India for about 34-35k depending on the deal and the market price that you find. Ideally, this machine would be suited for someone who does not need a full-fledged laptop, is not typing 2000, 3000, 4000 words a day, needs a keyboard only in certain cases, but wants this flexibility of moving the tablet around, having the full Windows 8.1 experience, not compromising on that. Interestingly, Asus loads this machine with the Office setup, so you have the student edition pre-installed on this, so you're pretty much good to go in terms of your productivity student requirements. A machine that will do well at home for consuming media, and a machine that will do well when you're on the road, when you need to quickly type out a mail or quietly watch a movie. And this machine will equally do well in an office where you're basically looking at spreadsheets or sending out a few mails.